In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Anki flashcards with ChatGPT. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to quickly create Anki flashcards that are organized, easy to study, and ready to import into Anki. Whether you're preparing for exams, learning a new language, studying technical concepts, or reviewing important information, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality flashcards in just a few minutes. To begin, open your web browser and visit the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the main chat screen, click inside the message input area where you'll enter your prompt. Before writing your request, decide what topic you'd like to study, since having a clear subject helps ChatGPT generate more accurate and useful flashcards. Next, write a detailed prompt explaining that you want ChatGPT to create flashcards in a format that's compatible with Anki. You can request a simple question and answer format, or ask for the output to be structured as comma-separated values, making it easier to import into Anki later. Be sure to specify the number of flashcards you want and mention the subject or chapter you want the cards to cover. After submitting your prompt, allow ChatGPT a few moments to generate the flashcards. Once the response appears, review each question and answer carefully. Make sure the information is accurate, clearly written, and appropriate for your learning goals. If any flashcards are too long or too complex, you can ask ChatGPT to simplify the wording or create shorter, more focused questions. If you're studying a large topic, you don't have to generate everything at once. Instead, create a small set of flashcards first, review the format, and then continue generating additional cards for the remaining sections. This approach helps maintain consistency and makes it easier to organize your study material. You can also refine the flashcards by asking ChatGPT to include definitions, multiple-choice questions, fill-in-the-blank cards, or cards that focus on key concepts and important facts. Adjusting the format to match your preferred study method can make your review sessions even more effective. Once you're satisfied with the generated flashcards, organize them into your preferred format for importing into Anki. Taking a few moments to review and edit the cards before importing them helps ensure a better study experience and improves long-term retention. Using ChatGPT as a flashcard creation assistant can save time while helping you build well-structured study materials for almost any subject. With clear prompts and careful review, you can quickly create effective Anki decks whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,